Affirmations are like positive whispers to your subconscious mind. They're powerful statements that you repeat to yourself, aiming to reprogram your beliefs and ultimately change your actions. Imagine a constant stream of positive messages reinforcing your desires. This is the essence of affirmations. By consistently repeating these positive statements, you begin to believe them, leading to a shift in your perspective and ultimately your behavior. It's like planting seeds of positivity in your mind, which blossom into positive changes in your life. Choosing the right affirmations is crucial. Think of your goals, what you want to achieve, and what kind of person you aspire to be. Pick affirmations that resonate with you personally, that feel authentic and true to your heart. These statements should inspire you, motivate you, and reflect your true desires. Don't just pick affirmations because they sound good. Choose those that ignite a spark within you, affirmations that you truly believe in and can connect with on a deeper level. The more personal and meaningful they are, the more powerful they will be in shaping your reality. Consistency is key when it comes to affirmations. Just like building any muscle, repetition is essential for strengthening your positive beliefs. Imagine it like a seed you plant in your mind. You need to nurture it with regular watering. That's your daily practice. By repeating your affirmations consistently, you're reinforcing those positive messages, making them stronger and more impactful. Think of it like a mantra that becomes a part of your subconscious mind, guiding your thoughts, feelings, and ultimately your actions. The more you practice, the more those beliefs will take root and start to transform your life. It's not just about saying the words, it's about feeling them. Imagine yourself living the affirmation as if it's already true. Visualize yourself embodying that positive state. Feel the joy, the confidence, the peace that comes with that belief. This emotional connection intensifies the power of your affirmations. When you feel the emotion behind the words, you're sending a stronger signal to your subconscious mind, making it more receptive to the positive change you're seeking. So, as you repeat your affirmations, allow yourself to feel the emotions that accompany those positive statements. Remember, self-improvement is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, effort, and a consistent commitment to see results. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate changes. Keep practicing your affirmations, keep nurturing those positive beliefs, and keep believing in yourself. The power of your subconscious mind is vast, and with patience and persistence, you can create the life you desire. Embrace the process, celebrate your progress, and stay committed to your journey of self-improvement. The journey itself is a testament to your growth and transformation.